In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to CapCut using QR code. This method is fast, secure, and perfect when you'd rather skip typing a password on your computer. Before we begin, make sure of three quick things. The CapCut app is installed on your phone and you're already logged in there. CapCut is open on your computer either in a web browser or the desktop app, and both devices are connected to the internet. With that said, here's how it works. On your computer, open CapCut in the desktop application or go to the CapCut website in your browser. Head to the sign in or login screen. Instead of entering your details, choose the QR code login option, sometimes labeled as Continue with CapCut Mobile. The page will display a large QR code. That code is a one-time, time-limited key that connects your phone's CapCut app to your computer session, so you don't need to type anything. Now pick up your phone and open the CapCut mobile app. Since you're already signed in on your phone, tap the Me icon at the bottom to open your profile. From there, tap Scan to open the built-in QR scanner in CapCut. This scanner is the right tool for the job. Don't use your regular camera app because the login works directly through CapCut's scanner. Point your phone at the QR code on your computer screen. Keep your phone steady and make sure the code fits within the frame. Good lighting helps the app recognize the code quickly. As soon as it scans, you'll see a confirmation prompt on your phone asking if you want to sign in on this computer. Tap Confirm or Approve to authorize it. Within a moment, your computer will log into your CapCut account automatically, no password needed. A few tips if something doesn't appear right away. If you don't see the QR code on your computer, make sure you're on the actual sign-in page and select the QR option again to refresh the code. If the scan button isn't visible on your phone, update CapCut to the latest version and check that the app has camera permission. Also, be sure you're approving with the same account you want to use on the computer. After you confirm, you should see your account profile on the computer, which means you're ready to edit. If you're on a shared device, remember to sign out from the account menu when you're finished. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.